Day 3 of the project. Today we continue to rip off the carpet from the wood panel that is in the floor, and we'll continue removing the wooden laminate floor to get to that part of the carpet too. Let me show you a little bit how that's gonna look. Basically, we are removing that part. That's where the waterproof tiles were in the entrance of the hallway. There is Mia ripping a lot of carpet off. As we said yesterday, with the heater it seems to be a lot easier. And then the other part will be this wooden floor all the way until the door frame. And then it's gonna be a line there. There's gonna be tiles on the hallway and the rest is gonna be wooden floor. And we need to remove that the protective part at the bottom of the wall. On that side only is the only one remaining. The rest was taken off yesterday. So that's what we'll be doing today. And we start now, even though Mia started already. After the work, it's all off. I'll show you how it's looking right now. You can see here that it is all gone, all the way to this line. This is how it looks, all peeled off. And there are all the bags ready to go to the dump, basically. So we are all ready for the tiles to be put on. That's gonna happen in about 5 days on Sunday. The kitchen is all ready. Once the furniture is gone, that one in the back, the appliances, fridge and freezer, and that one, all of this room is gonna be completely empty and ready to put on the floor as well.